Vendon is a global IoT payments and telemetry provider for both vending and coffee operators. Vending operators in general actually don't know what's going on with their machines. They're somewhere outside in the field. Basically, what's going on, they have no clue. So we have our hardware device, better known as the V-Box, that we can connect to any vending machine. It collects sales and technical data so the operator can make better and smarter business decisions.
When we initially met with Vendon, what they needed was a trusted global network provider that could bring their solution to the whole world. Using AT&T's global IoT SIM, we provide secure, robust connectivity in over 200 countries, which gives Vendon the commercial advantage that they have very competitive rates worldwide.
For the end user, it's important that they get the data constantly. We have this pre-installed AT&T Global SIM card that helps us transmit the data to the machine and from the machine. We can access clients anywhere in the world 24/7.
By providing this global connectivity from a machine somewhere and doing something again on that machine dramatically helps to reduce the use of resources, and you create a more sustainable environment.
For us, AT&T has given this confidence to go to markets we didn't even think possible. It really made Vendon more accessible to people all around the globe.
Thanks for watching. For more videos from AT&T Business, click subscribe.